What is up? Hey, I am back here in Chandler, Arizona, looking at the beautiful homes in Ballaza II by Taylor Morrison once again. Now this home, this beautiful, scrumptious, amazing house right here, it is a 3,509 square foot, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom plus bonus room, and it's just beautiful, has an amazing layout, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's take a look. All right, there you have it. Another beautiful, beautiful model home. This one by Taylor Morrison at the Ballaza II neighborhood. I thought it was sweet. So remember, like our videos on Facebook, subscribe to our videos on YouTube, and always remember that we deal real estate, but helping people is our business.